nigga. Turn my way, nigga. Fucking all my way, nigga. The biggest nigga. Step on niggas. Woo. I'm your first time getting a car. Another nigga bought it. My first time with a car. Nigga, you know that bitch that cost me. Your main bitch threw that pussy. You know the boss.
What it do, YouTube? Today we're gonna do something a little different. Got the AMG key right here. We're gonna do like a night drive, like a POV drive for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all want the McLaren too, for sure. But we got the AMG right here because you know it's like a nighttime type of vibe with the special green color. If y'all don't know, like some special AMGs come with the green. This is a special edition one. This is not a wrap, but as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Everything just crazy. We got the V8 by turbo. This is not no 53, none of that. We got the carbon fiber on the mirror caps. We got the carbon fiber on the roof. Got the ambient lighting. Whoa, we don't even got gas. Welcome to the life of having an AMG. Got 45 miles on the tank. And I got these cool little buttons on the steering wheel too. That's how I be changing my mode and stuff like that. We gonna go in sport mode for y'all. Well, I mean, let me chill with the sport mode. I'm gonna go get some gas first. When I hit the city for y'all, I'm definitely gonna do the Sport Plus. Cause right now, if I hop on that Sport Plus, I'm finna be less stranded. I don't know if y'all can see, but we got a little head-up display right here too. I'll zoom in so y'all can see it. Like it gets revs and gears and all that stuff. I really live in kind of like a forest area, but hopefully raccoon or something don't pop out on the kid. But yeah, I really like the purple lighting. There's a lot of colors you could choose from. I had a BMW, but they only got like 4 or 5 colors on there. But ain't nothing like the Benz. The Benz got like 65 colors. The interior just different. I do need to get starlights on this whip, simply for the fact that like I don't have a sunroof, so it would look great. A nice addition to the vehicle. So right now we about to hit the gas station. We going to the Wawa every time. If you're not going to the Wawa, what you doing? Why is this car stopped? I would throw some music on for y'all, but you know what I'm saying? That copyright gonna strike your boy. Oh, it's in manual mode. It is in manual mode, y'all boys. We done forgot the shift. E85.
Whoa.
Tune coming soon, y'all.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he did the spin around.
It's just some calm shit for y'all. I ain't really finna do too much, but you know what I'm saying? We with the Grinch right now. So we can't name it that. We gotta name it something different. Y'all let me know.
This the winch.
I mean, since the green on the outside, the purple on the inside is really hope.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying? It's really hope when you think about it like that.
You can really call this shit hope. How much this shit cost though? Damn.
Golly. Gas price is not in the Christmas spirit, y'all.
I ain't gonna lie, that boy will. I thought that shit was gonna be ass. Apparently that shit gonna be glass.
Man, look. Alright, so y'all, we got a little taste test for y'all boys. I usually don't do this. I'm not a munch, don't get it twisted. I don't be getting gas station food, but shit look a little good, so I'm gonna try real quick.
Bro, stop lying, bro. No, that shit's not.
It do hit different when it's in a cold, and it's just hitting different with the wrench.
That shit look
Do
nasty.
y'all homework on that, bro. Hey, don't tell anybody I put y'all on though. If you know me for real, I gatekeep the sauce, but I'm gonna let y'all have this. Alright, y'all, we on the highway right now. I know he ain't turned his emergency signal. His emergency signal. That boy done thought he did something. Y'all know we ain't going for none of that, boy. Hell no, that little weak ass shit, man. Man, he a goofball. He a goofball. He a goofball. He a goofball. I had to do it to him again though. But it's never personal. Yeah, man, we on the way to downtown. I'm about to show y'all all the buildings, because believe it or not, in downtown, there's a lot of buildings, guys. Never expected that. And if y'all don't know, bruh, this car guzzles gas. Like every other day I'm getting gas, so that's why we gonna put it right back to comfort mode and have a lovely evening.
Now that the tint down, I gotta put the tint on my shades or so.
Damn, I'm saying skeleton. I don't even got the right time on this. I need to time it. Every 48 hours it stops taking. This is a skeleton. It's a lot to it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a lot to it. You got it from Alibaba.
All right, bro.
That boy got the AliExpress.
I did not get it off. All right. I definitely got it at the Rolex store in the mall. Even though it's a Cartier, I got it in the Mayors. So y'all boys stop playing with me. Oh my gosh. If it's on the news talking about something, who shot up downtown, it was just me in my car. Should I bust a left here? Yeah. Yeah, because the city's about to end. We might have got a little messed up right here, but we moving. Bro, move, bro. Damn, I'm going so fast. Might launch it right here. I ain't gonna cap. Sure the coast is clear.
Yo, did your phone fly off?
Did it. It's back there.
I thought that shit flew out the window.
Tragedy.
Cuz this shit almost flew out the goddamn window.
The video ain't stopped?
Nah.
That's crazy. Well, mistrial. We will try again. Bro, that was crazy. I didn't even expect that myself. I'm definitely busting it right here. And you'd expect me to know what it's gonna feel like, but passing by the Hilton.
We gotta wait for another red.
Oh yeah, we could talk to the car. Ambient light and blue. Hold up, let me see if she wanna listen to me. Hey Mercedes. Ambient light green. Oh, she's now. She's now. Yeah.
You had that shit on.
Y'all don't got that in y'all AMG. I'm about to launch it right here, though. What y'all talking about?
That shit tighten your seatbelt.
Yeah, dude, bro. It's kind of like a roller coaster. And what I'm telling you, when you put it in that manual, it gets like a lot more pops. I'm about to bust a left right here, too. This thing is,
Thought he was finna.
this thing is different, bro. Pops is crazy. Don't know a car really sound like this, but I ain't gonna stock. Just wait till I do a little tune on. Oh yeah, we got a little tunnel right here.
The way you gotta Burbles, you gotta hit that bitch to 6,000 RPM and then you gotta let off. Let's go.
He drives an electric car, yeah.
Oh, he mad.
Who's mad? Which one's mad? Making people mad, y'all. Oh my. Yo, this joint just don't stop, bro. And it's kind of addicting, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hey Mercedes, ambient light purple. They don't want to change back to purple. Hey Mercedes, ambient light purple. Ambient light purple. Man, she playing hard to get right now. I ain't gonna lie, she playing hard to get, so we ain't really gonna, you know what I'm saying? We ain't really gonna listen to her. We just gonna leave her alone. The pops and burbles, it's just every time. Like, it can't miss for real. Y'all hear that? It's crazy. Oh my God. We on the way to Riverview right now, though. We gonna do a link up. Oh my, bro, I can't even. Yo, I can't stop. Hell no, look.
Come on, bro, hit that shit.
This is different. Very different. Like, no stock car sounds like this, bro.
But you know what it was? I didn't know Mercedes and AMG and shit were focused on like the Burbles and shit. I really
They
thought
do.
I didn't know that. I thought they was really just focused on the actual engine noise.
Yeah, no, the car sounds very aggressive.
Fucking slippery.
Slippery is, I'm assuming, when when it's raining or something. Throw that slippery mode on when you're shorty in the car. Real deal. Shut out in the whip, you gonna throw on that slippery.
What the fuck? Where the vet at? Vet gone? You gotta turn left there.
Alright, y'all. That's been it. And you know what I'm saying, we got the lights on the bottom. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. If you guys want more content like this, let me know. If you guys want one with the McLaren, let me know. And that's been it. Peace.
Pull off in that cool. Nigga think I hit the booze, I'm headed to the booth. Getting loot, that's what I do. Might slide up on your bitch. Tell you I'm a smooth dude. These niggas telling lies, but baby, you know I'm the truth. Can't wait till